Hey guys, this is Mads from Leaf Outdoor Adventures. Thank you for tuning in. I actually got 15 subscribers the last 2 days. It's really awesome and it really makes me want to make more videos for you guys. Today I will be talking about the Bushbox XL. This is a mini stove that you can use different kind of fuels to start up. This is a light kit. This is not the titanium version, this is just steel. But this is the one I use when I go light packing or hiking, small camping trip, or even if I go hunting and need to make some coffee or some food or anything like that. This is what I bring. I have made a few improvements, or at least that's what I think they are, to this kit after using it for quite some time. And I just wanted to share with you these improvements. Maybe you can use them, maybe you can't. Maybe you have made improvements for yourself. If you have, leave it in the comments below. I would like to know what you have made to make this mini stove better. But let's see. The stove still fits the pouch that it came in, and the two things I will be talking about today is this. This is just a piece of aluminum. It's gonna be used as a lid when I have to boil water. And the second is just these two screws. But let me set up the stove and I'll show you what they're made for. I really like this stove. It's really easy to set up, fast and easy to secure, and takes no time to deploy. Yeah, so these tools, I think usually people put these on top so you can put your cookware up here and the flames will come up cookware. But what I have done is, instead of, I put them in the sides. First this side and second side, because I use the trachea burner. I don't know if you know this. This is a fuel burner. It burns with alcohol, so that's what I use. So when I put the liners in here, it fits my trachea perfect. But now I do not have a surface to put my cookware. I use this Nalgene water bottle and the stainless steel cup, and as you can see, it does not fit. It just goes through. So that's why I need these two screws. I just screw one in like this, and the second like this. Yeah. So now I have a cook surface for my canteen like this, and the aluminum lid is to make sure that I have a fast burn time and that I don't have to use so much fuel to get my water boiling. But let's start up the cookware and let's see how fast it can get a pot of water to boil point. I brought my fire steel and my knife that I showed you the last episode. Let's try. Here we go. One stroke and we have a fire. I don't know if you can see it, but it's burning. So let's put up the cookware and let's fill in some water. And I'm just gonna fill it up to the top. Let's see, that's about half a liter, a little bit less. And I take my aluminum lid that I have made. This is just from a piece of aluminum that I cut out, and I sanded it down so it doesn't have any sharp edges. The good thing about aluminum is that it doesn't hold heat very much or very long, so I can take this off fairly easy with my hands without using gloves, because this is gonna get cold very fast, so I can take my cookware and pack up and go for another spot quite easily. Let's start a timer. Here we go. And let's see how fast it goes. Let's just make a quick tip. It's getting hotter. Seven minutes and 48 seconds in. We got our water boiling. So now let's try again, but now I'm not going to use the aluminum lead. Let's start the time. We have a boil at 9 minutes and 10 seconds approximately. The first two to 3 minutes, the trachea wasn't burning as clean as it is now. For those of you who have tried a trachea and used this stove and these mini burners before, it takes some time before it gets the right oxygen level, so it get a clean burn. So I guess the cook time before, my guess is that I could take 1 or maybe 2 minutes of the cook time before with the lid on. Guys, I just want to thank you for the support. I really appreciate you coming here and watching my videos. I hope some of you can use the tips and tricks that I show you, or just enjoy watching me do stuff outdoors. Thank you, everybody. Have a good evening, night, day, afternoon, wherever you are. Mass out.